Welcome to another Mercedes video, my 2009 C200, and in this video I'm going to be changing this vent. So it's quite obvious why I want to change it. There's a bit missing there, so I've got to replace it on eBay. There we go, complete and working. So just got to work out how to change this out. So I've got my trim tools because I think that panel needs to come out. So let's try to put you guys down somewhere where hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So let's see if we can get this. Should just clip out. There you go. So that unclips, so it's just a. So just to open this from above, and I might have to go around to the front of the car, and it should just hopefully pull out. Doesn't matter if I damage this, so just go for broke, I suppose. But I'm just having a look on this replacement one. But I'm just going to go round to the front of the car and a bit of a rest of my trim tools to hand, just in case. Then there, console. Let's see how this comes off. Yep. Oh, there we go. Just lifts out like that, yeah. So just got a connector to disconnect. Dead easy. So out with the old and even with the replacement one. I'm sorry it's going to be a really short video, this one. Never mind, can't be helped. Let's have a look and let's have a look. We've got a bit of damage on there. So I'm going to have to swap this bit out as well. So a bit of a swapperoo going on, but should be able to make a good one from two. Yep, I should be able to just swap this wire out. He says hopefully. Yep, should be able to swap this wire out. So it's just a matter of, yeah, threading this through, yeah. Well, this may be a bit easier said than done. Yeah, I think a bit of a further dismantlement is going to be necessary, so I'm not sure I'm going to get this wire out, but I think I'll do that off camera and I'll come back to you. So what I've done is I've basically deepened the plug, so I've worked out how it's done, so I'll carry on doing this off camera, so I don't need to take this wire out completely, so I can should just be able to plug this back in there. Yep, that's all good. And just put all this wire back together. Anyway, I'll carry on with this and then I'll come back to you when I'm ready for refitting this vent. So I've got that reassembled. So first things first, plug this in. This is illumination for the vent. That bit is illuminated, so that's all it's for. So, get this in the right way around. I've plugged it in the right way around. Yep. So that reconnects. Oops, that's sliding off. That shouldn't come off now. Plug this in. Am I getting it the right way? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, because that's it. It should go that way. The tab's on the top there, and it clicks in. Probably because these pins are slightly bent. Still, I seem to be struggling a bit, so probably need to bend these pins in. No, I can't get them without. So you probably need to bend the. I can't do it with that. Try these tweezers. I think these pins are slightly bent. Right, I'm going to sort these pins out in here and I'll come back to you again. So yeah, the pins were bent, so I had to straighten them with a pair of pliers, so this should just plug straight in. And I had the wire routed the wrong way as well. But that's all sorted, so this should just clip straight in. So look, and goes in like so. There we go, you heard that click. So just a matter of sliding this on. There, that clicked into place. And then fit this part. There we are, we've got fully working vent. Can't really test illumination, but there we go. Job sorted, a bit fiddly because of this, but never mind, it can't be helped. So I'm going to end this video here. I know it's a short one, but it's just one of those things that makes that car that a little bit better. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.